Efficient memory management on mobile devices. Hello and welcome to iNurture video. In this video, we will be discussing about efficient memory management on mobile devices. After watching this video, you will be able to differentiate between types of memory used in mobile phones and also understand different types of memory storage used in mobile phones. And finally, you will also get to know about some tips to manage your memory on mobile phones. Just like our computers have CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, mobile phones also have CPU. Central Processing Unit is a processor and it functions just similar like a brain. It processes data and performs different kinds of functions such as running a game, launching an application and many more. In case of a mobile phone, CPU is in form of chipset. Popular mobile phone processors include Qualcomm, Snapdragon QSD 8250 and Samsung Hummingbird chipsets. The speed of these popular chipsets is approximately equal to 1 GHz. For CPU to perform its functions, it requires data and this data is stored in memory. Now in next slide, let's know what are different types of memory storage as uCPU, which is often called as brain of the computer, process the data and the information is stored in memory. There are three types of memory: RAM, ROM and flash memory. Now let's look into each of them in detail. RAM is used executing software code and it converts data from one format to the other. It is referred as working memory and it stores temporary data. It is available in different sizes and is represents as multiples of 2, such as 2 megabit, 4 megabit, 8 megabit and so on. Let's look into types of RAM. There are two types of RAM available: static RAM, SRAM, and dynamic RAM, DRAM. SRAM is expensive when compared with DRAM. It can be accessed faster and it needs less memory. Owing to this feature of SRAM, it is used in caching memory where speed of access plays the main role, whereas DRAM is suitable for storing large quantities of data for long periods of time. ROM is a non-volatile memory. It is used for storing software programming codes and static data. It requires electric power to delete and reprogram the memory. The phone memory along with memory cards is NAND based. Flash memory is another type of non-volatile memory just like ROM. It is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, and the main feature of flash memory is that it enables reading or erasing of data on a block level as compared to byte level. As we have learnt about different types of memory, now let's look how memory is stored. With the evolution of smartphones, it has become an integral part of our life. We use smartphones for various purposes. In this scenario, storage of memory is challenging and we are normally confused with various options that are available with respect to memory storage. There are three types of memory storage in mobile phones. As discussed in previous slide, phone storage is actually the storage space that a user receives from the total internal storage of the mobile phone. This is the memory space that is available for the user. All types of files relating to movies, images, videos and songs are stored here. Further, games and other applications are also installed in the phone storage. The files available in this part of the memory are visible to the user. At times, there are notifications on the memory exceeding limits and the user needs to delete unwanted files. Such a message is generated by a system file that reserves its data on internal storage. Since we use our phones for various purposes, it becomes difficult to manage with the space available in internal storage. There comes the need of external storage. The memory space depends on the compatibility of the memory card slot available. External storage is easily removable. Images, songs, videos and other files can be stored on the external storage and it is expandable. So far we have learnt about types of memory and types of memory storage. We are now aware of the challenges that are present with respect to memory storage. We can overcome the challenges. Here are some of the important tips on memory management. Check your internal storage. If you are low on storage, delete any unneeded or recently downloaded app. Application also creates short-term memory called cache. Delete cache as well. Clear text messages. Limit text message threads. Turn messages off and on once a day. Disable live wallpapers. Connect to Wi-Fi and update apps whenever possible. Use back key instead of home key to exit from apps. Let us have quick recap on what we discussed. Types of memory used in mobile phones. There are 3 types of memory. They are RAM, ROM and flash memory. RAM is used for storing files temporarily, whereas ROM is used for storing codes of software program and static data. Flash memory is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. We also discussed about memory storage. There are 3 types of memory storage. Internal storage refers to the memory space that is available for installing applications and data. External storage refers to the external memory space available for the user. Phone storage refers to the memory space that is available for the user. At the end, we discussed about few tips that can help us to manage our memory storage. Thank you for watching this video.